Alright, sorry, this is going to be brief because it is about 1,000,000 degrees below zero for some reason. A few months ago, I did the video about the post driver target. The only problem with that is I didn't want to sell a post driver for every single target, so I had to come up with something else that would kind of complement if you guys bought multiple targets, and also something that was quick, easy, and worked well. So I came up with this little jig right here. This will, once you drove your post in with the post driver, you just take this thing, bam, drop it right there. That is right there. And then this bedded one thing, AR500 plate, right up on here, drop it in this, boom, good to go. That fast. And then you save on 2x4s. Steel post is about, I think it's cheaper than a 2x4. You never have to get another one, so this is pretty low cost. I am going to be doing a test run of these to send out to you guys. This is 3 AR500 3/8 thick plate. I have this size, and then I have a smaller 5-inch size. I think I have like 15 of each, so I will be making a little promo for this and get it in your hands so you can do a test run of it and tell me what you think. I think it'll work pretty well, but I need some feedback. All right, thanks.